My name is Alfred. I'm from Comac. We are the importer for Euromac, and I'm here featuring the FX Bend 1547. It's a 50-ton, 60-inch electric press brake. One thing Euromac does, they actually utilize a meionite casting for the entire frame, making it very robust and solid foundation for the machine. This press brake utilizes two ball screws that actually pull the ram down rather than trying to force the ram down. In that manner, they reduce any deflection from those ball screws in the movement. This machine is a 4-axis back gauge, so we have our X-axis, our R-axis, and we have a Z1, Z2. It is available with a X1, X2, R1, R2, Z1, Z2 back gauge, which is actually faster than this one. This press brake, our ram speed, we're able to achieve over 8 inches a second for the approach speed of our ram. We're able to minimize our mute position all the way down to the thickness of the material based off the lasers that we're using, making it not only fast and efficient, but also safe for the operators. To see how fast the machine actually is. Euromac FX Bend here is here to help increase your production, allow you to do your production faster, more efficiently, more accurately, and safely.